Welcome. This video is an overview of Express Mobile EVV for DD Agency Provider Direct Support Professional Staff. In this video, we'll review some basic information on Electronic Visit Verification, or EVV, and how it will work for agency DSPs in the Express payment system. As a Direct Support Professional, or DSP, working in Express may be new for you. We'll start out by reviewing a few things about Express. Express is an internet-based website used to manage the authorization and payment of services to individuals with intellectual and developmental disabilities in Oregon. Express can be used on any device that can access the internet, such as a computer, laptop, or mobile device. People who use Express must register to get a user account with a unique login name and password. Express uses two methods for DD agency providers to report the dates and times they provided services to individuals with IDD. The Express desktop website is used to bill for non-EVV services, to submit SD billings for payment, and to access reports. Express Mobile EVV is the format for Express when used on a mobile device to report the dates and times EVV qualifying services are provided, such as attendant care. DSP staff may also not know about EVV. EVV stands for Electronic Visit Verification and is part of a federal law passed by the U.S. Congress called the 21st Century Cures Act. The EVV law requires real-time verification of all Medicaid-funded attendant care services involving an in-home visit by a provider at the time the service is received by the individual. The law for EVV states that EVV systems must capture specific information for the attendant care service being provided at the time the service is occurring. That information is the individual receiving the service, the type of service provided, the date the service was received, the time the service starts and ends, the provider of the service, and the location of the service. Use of an EVV system, such as Express Mobile EVV or the agency's own EVV system, is required for all attendant care type services provided by the agency to the individual. Those agency EVV attendant care services are defined in Express as General Attendant Care, Attendant Care 2-to-1 Staff, Attendant Care Group, and State Plan Personal Care. There may be other services that your agency provides, but do not require the use of an EVV process. Those non-EVV services include group home and supported living services, employment services, day support activities, professional behavior services, and transportation. Agencies can still provide these services if authorized. However, since they're not EVV type services, the agency provider will bill for these using the regular Express website called the Express Desktop. With the implementation of EVV, there may be some new terms that DSPs will need to know. The Express Desktop means the regular Express website version that is best used on a regular computer or laptop. Other staff at your agency likely use this. Express Mobile EVV means Express when it's used on a mobile device, such as a smartphone or tablet, for EVV service billing. It's important to remember that Express Mobile EVV is not an app that you download to your device. Service Delivered, or SD, is the billing information entered in Express for the dates and times you worked providing attendant care as a DSP. Case Management Entity, or CME, means the Community DD program, a brokerage, or the CIIS program. All of these agencies are case management entities. The Express Mobile EVV process is designed to be easy for agency DSPs to use. You'll simply use a mobile device, such as a smartphone or a tablet, to record your time worked providing attendant care as a DSP at the actual time you start and end working with each individual. Your time worked as a DSP providing attendant care will be automatically saved as a draft billing in the Express website. After you've worked as a DSP, someone else at your agency will need to review the draft billings you created to be sure they're accurate, make any corrections if needed, then submit the billings for payment. These review and submission steps are required for your agency to receive payment for the work you do as a DSP. When using Express EVV, there is a very important thing you'll need to remember. The location services feature must be on or enabled for both the smartphone or tablet you will use and the internet browser you use to get to Express on your device. Verifying your location when you start and end working with individuals is required by the federal law for EVV. What's next? DSP staff are encouraged to view the additional tutorial videos available on how to use Express Mobile EVV. Those videos include how to log in to Express Mobile EVV, how to start an EVV shift, how to end an EVV shift, and how to add an EVV shift for more individuals. Links to these videos and other user assistance guides are available on the Express Help menu. The Help menu website address is shown here. Thank you for watching this video presentation.